You can't have your cake and eat it too. Who doesn't love to eat cake first thing in the morning? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is you can't have your cake and eat it too. And I was going to take a bite because it's delicious. Nothing but cakes, bunt cakes, shameless plug. No connection with them, but I do love their bunt cakes, and we had one for Father's Day, so I thought, oh, let's do you can't have your cake and eat it too. Now this idiom's been around since 1538 when Thomas, the Duke of Norfolk, put it in a letter to Thomas Cromwell, and in 1538, and then since then it's appeared in different directories of proverbs. It's also a proverb, and it basically tells us that we can't have two things simultaneously that are contradictory. And I say, as we're building and growing and supersizing our business, who says? We get to make the rules for our business. We get to set things up so that they work for us and the people that we're here to serve, and so we can have our cake and eat it too. I can guarantee I'm going to eat this piece of cake today. I don't know if it'll be for breakfast, but it'll definitely be sometime. That's how good it is. So this idiom, this expression, for example, let's think of a financial one, since we're doing financial goals and financial health this month in this year's annual challenge to get your goals annual challenge. So what would be a financial example of that? You can't, this proverb contends that you can't spend all of your money, all of the money that's coming into your business on short-term things like material things that you want right now and expect to simultaneously meet your long-term goals and objectives for savings, retirement, etc. Now, that may or may not be true. I say we just have to always set priorities and choose what's important to us. Two contradictory things that come up a lot, especially when it comes to business, are time and money. Can't have time and money simultaneously. I contend that there's a lot of creative ways to, in our business, as we're building and growing and supersizing our business, automate, delegate, find creative solutions to problems in our business and the different ways of running our business that allow us to free up our time while still simultaneously making money. So I'm curious, your take on this particular idiom. Do you believe you can have your cake and eat it too? Maybe you can't have your cake and eat the same exact piece again, but there are ways to have our cake and eat it too. Share your favorite way in the comments below, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business right now? Have an amazing day.